Hello Richmond Solution Community, how are you today? We hope you didn't miss our previous episode where we talked about thinking-based learning, but if you did, we leave you here the link at the end of this episode. Today we'll talk about educational technology, a concept that has just become part of our day-to-day jargon in education. But do you know about its trends for 2022? Have you heard of the term STEAM? If you still have doubts or want to know a little more, don't miss this episode, developed especially for you. So let's get started.
Richmond Solution Podcast.
As we already know, educational technology, or EdTech, refers to technological tools that enrich education to build meaningful learning in our students. This issue was already important a bit more than a decade ago. However, after the COVID-19 pandemic, it has taken on a grander scale in education worldwide. As expected, it will continue to grow non-stop. This year, some countries decided to prolong distance education by following a fully digital model. Others, however, went for a balanced model where students would attend classes from home or others at school. Regardless of the educational model a school may implement, we would like you to know the following key concepts to teach next year. So let's talk about the term STEAM. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics. It focuses on learning based on competence development. Through STEAM, teachers and students embark on methodologies that involve problem-solving, collaboration, innovation, creativity, multidisciplinary, decision-making, data management, and analysis. Experts agree that the first step for its implementation is to answer the question what mathematics, chemistry, and physics are for. But then, it's time we took advantage of the closeness very young children have to technological devices. If we do this, we could help them practically understand the use and application of these subject areas I just mentioned, while motivating them to know and explore them. There are several tips to bear in mind when STEAMing lessons. On the one hand, we recommend STEAM classes follow a project-based learning methodology. Doing this will ease the integration of the different subject areas. In addition, it will make learning more memorable, meaningful, and collaborative, among others. Along with this, we highly suggest you use as much video content as possible. Teachers who advocate the use of audiovisual resources in the classroom promote a teaching and learning model in which students become active participants. Doing so also paves the way to implementing a flipped learning approach to language teaching if you want. According to the 2018 study entitled The State of Video in Education, 83% of teachers consider that using videos in the classroom fosters collaboration. For another 84%, videos improve the academic results obtained by students. As a result, we continue recommended videos as a tool for educational purposes. Now, it's time we talk about learning analytics. Have you heard of the phrase, what can be measured can be improved? Measuring is essential in education to record students' progress. Technology and statistical measurement together undoubtedly eases teachers' jobs. Having consistent statistical results allows you to prepare classes on a learning platform and assign activities, assessment, deliver lessons, and the sort. In addition, that same platform will track students' progress, process all the information to help you, school authorities, and even parents to make informed decisions. We are about to finish this episode, but before we come to an end, we cannot forget the vital aspect for the development and well-being of our students, that is to say, social learning. Students would go to school to acquire academic knowledge in the past. However, the view of education Therefore, that of schools has shifted to contemplate emotional learning and preparing students for society. In simple terms, we need to understand that we live in a society where everyone is different and similar at the same time. Therefore, one must learn how to express their emotions. Fostering emotional learning in times of COVID-19 is more than ever crucial. This is because many of our students have been deprived of social contacts over the past 2 years. Whether we like it or not, lockdowns have significantly affected many students, and we must do something to counterbalance this. We must remember that teachers are significant figures in the integral development of students. We are a model for students. Following Albert Bandura's words, we learn a model. It is not what the teacher tells me to do, but how he does it. Now, yes, this episode has come to an end. We hope it has helped you to learn a bit more about educational technology, or EdTech for short, and the aspects you should bear in mind when implementing it in the classroom. Remember, you can subscribe to our monthly newsletter, and if you still haven't subscribed, please click the link below so that you don't miss all the solutions we have designed for you. We want to hear from you, so leave your comments about our content. Also, please tell us if you want us to discuss any topic in particular. Simply write it down here and you'll hear from us soon. Thank you so very much for listening to us and for belonging to our Richmond Solution community. We look forward to working with you in 2022. Have a very happy holiday, and remember, be part of the conversation, be part of the Richmond Solution community.